What are we installing today, Christian?
Oh! Downpipes, what? What happened? Oh.
Whoa. VRSF. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm on the side.
Wow. That's sick.
I'm already tired. Okay, I guess we can lower it and take the jack out.
Look at that bubble right there. You can
Bubbly boys.
see it.
Bakers.
Good shit.
It's a bit of an awkward angle here.
5/16 and
I need a 13 millimeter wrench and a 5/16 torque.
So what are we looking at here?
I'm trying to figure out where the fucking exhaust hanger is, but your boy's a bit fucking lost. Wow, she's way back. Okay.
Bit of oil.
Yeah.
Fucking, come on, you silly slut. Fuck. So, what are we actually taking off?
Taking these two bolts off because this releases the exhaust, which you can separate the downpipes.
Those two.
These two releases the hanger, releases the exhaust, and then you can pull it back enough to get the downpipes out once you release these bolts.
Okay. You probably need to take it off. I don't know.
What the hell? Let me watch this video. And I swear in the video they don't have it off.
Our boys.
Yeah.
Budget. Viewers.
Oh! Okay, budget, show me how it's
Looks like you need to counterhold that, bud.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'm literally trolling. They literally told me to and I didn't. Where's that 13 millimeter wrench?
Yo, we're called budget beaners.
Better budget beaners here.
Budget beaners, here we go. I want to see you counterhold that shit.
Alright, ready?
So that's out.
Yeah, so now we need to get these out.
What do we need? Those?
I'm gonna do it after. I'm gonna let the PD blaster sit a bit more. I'm gonna respray it too. Fucking yikes, about to drip on my nausea. Gotta release this. Actually, yeah, we have to release this.
What is that?
Fucking couldn't tell you.
Oh.
What was that?
No. Weird.
Pretty sure you have to take these off.
Check out that extension, dudes. This is the life.
Get up to the other sides. What? Am I actually supposed to take this out? I should really check. I'm confident. Confident. I definitely. That's a rusty boy, though. Yeah, he does. See, look.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Shit.
Got the brace off, boys.
Hit me in the fucking noggin. Got a big old goosebump here on my head.
helps to use a stubby, circle end.
Good thing we both have stubbies.
Yeah.
Units, external torques, and a 16 millimeter
What's with all these
don't
imperial
know.
sizes?
circle end.
Do these guys even know what they're doing?
Alright, we're just gonna go like this. It's not that one, not that one, not that one. It's gonna be this one here. It's a bit fucking loose. The next one's a bit small. It fucking feels bad.
Oh, just grab the 3/8 one. There it is. Perfect.
Wow!
What size is? What is that in millimeters?
12.
It's a 12 budget Beamers.
Budget fucking dumbass. fucking idiot. 16mm wrench. Where's she at?
Here it is. It was under my Asha.
Yeah, this ain't happening, boys. Is it in my eye?
Coming out.
Yeah, sorry. Hopefully, if you're looking this up for a guide, this isn't the one you should be watching. You should go watch Bedroom Beamers. Holy shit. She's almost out, boys. Find it. Oh, it's all the way over here.
Man, look how long this thing just keeps going.
Uh-oh. Good luck. That's all I gotta say. How are we supposed to line that?
There. Put the nut on the end of this. Oh, it's over there.
Pretty minty.
Dude, your engine is made of oil.
Oh my god, please stop.
Look at that.
How the fuck am I supposed to do this?
That's a sick mod, actually. So now the wheel is off. And now you can get in there to the heat shield.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's so shit. What if I just bend it out of the way and bend it back?
Okay. Oh, cool.
Where's that PB? Fuck. Do you want to be an MVP?
An MVP with the PB. So you have to get those bolts out right there. The one I'm looking
Yeah.
at? Okay.
You just loosen it and the V-band unclamps and then you can slide it out.
Long range lubing. Wow. Let's get a look at this beast. So now you have to take the... Do you have to take the shroud, the cowl off?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This off.
Jesus, we should just do the mod to get rid of it entirely.
No.
We've had this thing off so many times. We took out the O2 sensors, labeled them, plugs, and now...
Dude, these are so stuck.
Update. We have one O2 sensor out. The other one still stuck. Not even Christian can get it out. So, what are we doing now?
Yeah, boy. In the meantime, I'm gonna try and take these exhaust flanges off.
We're gonna try and take the flanges off. Damn. Holy shit, it's blurry as hell. But we got one of the exhaust flanges. Sit rep. We took out both bolts. We hammered on, what's that, a 7/16? Oh, fucking right. I can't actually tell. 7/16, because it's a 12 mil, so it's a bit smaller. We got 3. Can we do 4?
Yeah. Successful 4 bolts removed.
This is where we've been for the last 2 hours of our lives. This is our workstation. Mint. But dudes, where are they? We got the exhaust separated. Okay, viewers, update. The V-bands, as they're called, are loosened. As you can see, maybe you can't see. You can hear and barely see. They're loosened. V-bands are loosened. Christian is working on that
Stripping
one.
a fucking bolt as we speak.
Christian's busy rounding off another bolt, but we're almost good to put the downpipes in.
How do I get this bitch out? What the hell, you slut ass whore?
All this effort just so your car sounds a bit different, and no girls are gonna like it anymore.
Yeah. That's true.
We're actually doing this for other guys.
Yeah.
Update. We have one downpipe out. That was a bitch.
Make sure she's unloosened. How long are you long, boys?
They're pretty damn long, I think. They're like 3 inches.
Same. God.
Woo!
Oh shit. Well, that's that one.
Damn.
Fire!
Damn.
Oh, here's the other one.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
It's like a puzzle. Day 2! Oh,
Day 2 and your boys deep.
So where are we at now, Christian? What are we doing?
We're attaching the downpipes. Oh!
So we have downpipes are in.
Holy shit. We're gonna start her up and two-step her in a second.
Holy shit.
So I'm just making sure it's all on properly, which it is.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put the bolt in. And then I'm going to adjust everything to make sure shit's not touching, which it is holy shit, sorry. Yeah, like that. So you can move them.
Okay.
So I'm gonna adjust them so they're not touching anything, and then I'm gonna tighten them down. So I'm just gonna get the screw in, which I've lost again. I spent an hour looking for it, and I've already lost it.
So we're all wired up with O2 sensors. No, as long as the e-brake's on. It's gonna be... Oh god.
It might be rough.
What are the codes that we're getting?
Misfire 456 Lambda sensor. Holy shit, she's loud. I couldn't believe how loud it was.
I know.
It busted. Dude, why do we have misfires?
I think it's just a couple connections. Alright, it runs fine. We're gonna put it back together, we're gonna spare the details, then we're gonna cut to some clips of it driving. So we're gonna put the steering rack back in, all the shields, the V-brace.
I don't know where it's supposed to go. Oh, it's supposed to go right there.
And we're gonna clean up, and it's gonna run mint.